Yeah, on rim, yeah. Keeper, oh, shit. You see my shit? Data, data saver. Oh, yeah. Like, shit. I always see it like in my house. I just ain't no clover chair. Shit like this. So I'm saying, buffalo sack. I hate it. Hate it. Hey, on my maps and stuff like that. You remember no first name? Say this shit right here. $2 rim, $20 rim, blow. Or whatnot. Like, this is a staple gun I bought right here. See right here. My DD, I got DD right here. My rim sitting right here. Like 6, yeah. See here. Now this a high pressure nail gun right here. This my nail gun. That's what I'm saying. Say Z, I got a Z. I had about 10 of them, but I had about 10 of them in here for that boy. For that mama kid. I try to roll a boy, a young boy. Okay, for real, boy. My mother out here. And came start tending my motors and all my gyms and stuff like that. I had like my shit is impressive, boy. And that boy came in like sold like 10 of them bitches. He sold all my goddamn hook rims and shit like that. I got a damn shot right here, right here. Shit, how ugly he is, boy. It's like this was a rim right here. Like I got a collar, my collar. Look at that. I'm sorry, stink let me do. Like this was the damn rim. You would sit like it was shit. It would sit around with that shit like that. Like, let's see, babe. I'm 12, bro. Okay, man. High pressure, got that pump. My shit like boom, I be like boom time. He started building a spaceship or some shit like that. And a bomb for real. That way wide for real. That why boom time nigga. I nigga like his shit like. And then I be hook my high pressure pump up, man. Got shit like this. And mine like, wait, like whoa boy. It was another one I got right here, man. One on my tank. That's another tank. This is another D. Got my DR. Got about 12 of them with some density. Density, like spaceship shit to build a spaceship. Like for real. That little nigga came around. Got it cracked, come on. And be done blowed all my shit down, you know. But he don't want to rubber around here. See, the damn density done went out. Like, shit, I could put myself up. Like, boom, shit. I just want to show you one of the bitches I had in here, though, for real. And I'm gonna try to keep this shit cope. Like I would sit around like and try to like roll up my rims and shit like that. Man, our density,